No condensed milk, no cream, no gelatin, and no gel. It's ready in 3 minutes. In a blender, add 2 cups of ice cold water, 2 cups of powdered milk, half a packet of powdered passion fruit juice. Now just cover and let it heat very well. Remove a lid and use a spatula to remove all the powdered milk that sticks. Now, just uncap it and put the rest of the passion fruit juice. With this juice, the consistency will change completely. Look guys, it's already being pretty consistent. You can turn off the blender and transfer the entire contents to a serving dish or other container of your choice. The recipe pays a lot, and to complete it, a very chilled passion fruit pulp. Remembering that it's very important that the water and the extractive passion fruit are chilled, because the recipe does not go to the fridge. Now just mix it very well, and our dessert is ready. Super easy, fast, and delicious. Look how amazing she looks. Sincerely, it's not of the quickest and easiest dessert I've ever made. With 3 minutes you do it, mixing all the ingredients already frozen, and you don't need to refrigerate it. But if you want to take it, the consistency will be much firmer. But this way, it's already perfect. Here's the tip for a dessert for that day, when you're out of time and wanting to eat something delicious. I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your house. I'm sure that everyone will love. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.